In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a productivity system in Airtable. We'll start from a blank base and finish with a clean, reliable workflow you can use every day. On your desktop, log into Airtable, click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch and name it Productivity System. This will be your central hub for tasks, projects, goals, and resources. Begin by creating 5 core tables: tasks, projects, goals, areas, and reference. Think of tasks as your actionable to-dos, projects as containers for related tasks, goals as the outcomes you're aiming for, areas as ongoing responsibilities, and reference as your library of supporting materials. Together, these tables form the backbone of your system. Open the Tasks table and add the key fields. Create task name as single-line text. Add status as a single select with to do, in progress, and done. Add priority as a single select with low, medium, and high. Include due date as a date field. Add project and area as linked records to their respective tables, and a completed checkbox. Tasks are the items you can execute. These fields make them trackable and easy to review. Set up projects next. Add project name as single-line text, status as a single select, start date and end date as date fields, and area as a linked record to areas. Projects group tasks into larger objectives and give you a sense of timing and scope. For goals, add goal name, link it to an area, include a target date, and add a status single select. Goals keep your work aligned to meaningful outcomes over time. In the areas table, add area name and a long description. Areas represent spheres like work, personal, health, or finance, helping you maintain balance. In reference, add item name, category as a single select with options like document, template, or tool, and a link as a URL so you can quickly access helpful resources. Now link everything together by connecting tasks to projects and areas, and projects to goals. You can follow along in Airtable by using the link at the top of the description to open the website and build your productivity system step by step. Create views to manage your day. In tasks, build a today view showing items due today and not completed, an upcoming view for the next 7 days, and a completed view for finished work. In projects, create views for active projects and for completed ones to make reviews simple. Finally, sort and filter to stay focused. Sort tasks by priority and then by due date. Filter by project, goal, or area to narrow your focus. Maintain your system by updating tasks daily, reviewing projects and goals weekly, and adjusting priorities and deadlines as things change. That's how to build a complete productivity system in Airtable. Thanks for watching.